voltage of high-voltage components in new energy vehicles can reach 1000 volts. To protect the safety of operators before repairing new energy vehicles, the staff should set up a safe working area and wear high-voltage protective equipment. Set up relevant equipment in the high-voltage safety area. Warning signs, insulation mats, high-voltage warning signs, and insulation testers. Shield box, insulated tools, and fire extinguishers. Before repairing an electric vehicle, use warning signs to set up a safe work area. Lay out the insulating rubber mat and place a high-voltage warning sign to warn relevant personnel. Check the fire extinguisher. Check the insulation of the insulating mat. Check the shielding box and the insulated tools for electricians to avoid safety accidents. Insulation rubber mat, also known as insulating mat, insulating rubber mat. It has a large volume resistivity and withstands electric shock. The rubber mat, according to voltage level, it can be divided into 5 kV, 15 kilovolts, and so on. According to thickness, it can be divided into 2 millimeters, 3 millimeters, and 4 millimeters. Mats are commonly used in new energy car. High voltage warning signs is used to warn non-staff not to enter and remind workers that it is a high voltage work area. A shielding box is a metal box. As shown in the figure, it's closed. The electromagnetic signal inside and outside the metal shell is separated and do not interfere with each other. During maintenance, it is usually used to place the remote key of new energy vehicle to avoid the key being touched by other people. And the signal on the key trigger the vehicle's electrical system to work, causing harm to the person in maintenance. When repairing high voltage systems, special insulation tools for electricians must be used. The rubber of the tool requires 1000 protection level. It is necessary to note that insulation tools should not be contaminated with oil and water. Wipe and dry the oil and water in time. Fire extinguishers for new energy vehicles use water-based ones and carbon dioxide fire extinguishers. Wear high-voltage protective equipment, including helmets, glasses, insulated gloves, and insulated shoes. The hard hat is mainly used to protect the operator's head, to avoid or slow down the damage caused by the collision between the head of the maintenance staff and the car body and the elevator, and accidental impacts. When using a hard hat, pay attention to checking that good appearance and no damage. Second, the 2 side straps are intact and the length is adjusted properly. Confirm the buckle is in good condition. Third, the safety helmet complies with national technical regulations. The goggles used by electrical workers are made of transparent plastic, similar to the goggles used by welders. Glasses usage precautions. First, the goggles selected should be inspected by qualified products inspection agencies. The width and size of the goggles should fit the user's face shape. Third, if the lens is worn and rough, broken frames can affect the operator's vision. They should be replaced in time. Fourth, prevent heavy pressure and falling, and prevent hard objects from rubbing the lenses. Insulated gloves are made of natural rubber. It is mainly used for electrical work, which can protect hands or the human body. It can prevent electricity, water, acids, bases, and oil. In the maintenance of new energy vehicles, the insulation level of the gloves should be above 1000 volts. The inspection method of insulating gloves is shown in the figure. First, lay the glove on its side. Second, Roll the opening up 2 or 3 times. Third, fold the opening to seal it. Fourth, squeeze it near your ear to ensure no air leakage. Insulation shoes are made of special rubber, which insulate the human body from the ground. It has good insulation performance and certain physical strength and safety requirements. Meanwhile, car repair work shoes also need to have anti-piercing and anti-piercing, anti-pounding, and other requirements. It is recommended to use insulated safety shoes suitable for working voltages of 1000 volts. Other requirements for a professional image. 1. Keep your hairstyle neat. Second, wear appropriate work clothes. Clean and tidy. Third, use belt without buckles. Don't wear metal objects such as watches, rings, and keychains. Fourth, put a clean rag in your pocket. Today, we learned before the inspection of new energy vehicles. To protect our own safety, we need to wear safety helmets, goggles, insulated gloves. Set up warning signs, insulation mats, high voltage, warning signs, and insulation testers, shielding box, insulation tools, fire extinguishers and other safety work areas, and related equipment. Please refer to the information, how to check the protection level of insulating gloves.